Well, after posting our Matrix Custom OS teaser video, the #1 question we had was, does it work on turbo cars? And I want to clear something up. It works on all cars. This is a whole system. It's not just a couple specific features that you pay for and they work how they work. It's a custom operating system that we can make specifically for your vehicle. And one thing we did, and it saved the day, is my twin turbo Shelby GT500, still running the factory computer. It does have launch control, but it's not exactly the most tunable, and getting a turbo car spooled up is very tough. I was able to do it with the factory launch control, but I wasn't able to get the whole package to work until I added Matrix OS, because I used their launch control on top of the GT500 launch control, and it also has rolling anti-lag, which I'll show you, and we'll go ahead and show you the best pass so far. Because of Matrix OS, I got the car in the 1.5 60-foot range. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how the launch control works, anti-lag, and then I'll show you that draggy video. All right, now I'm in the car. So first off, I want to show you guys what normally would happen on something like this without the Matrix OS. Now, I have my launch control set to 3,000 RPM, but we can do this in any tuning now. We can go higher than that. I believe I have it set to 1,000 plus roughly, so we should see 4,000. So with our normal launch control that just comes with the car, it might look something like this. Okay, great. High RPM, if it's a blower, we're good to go, but it's not building any boost. We can modify the stock tune without Matrix OS to do this, but not nearly as good and not with as much control. I've tried it. I spent a lot of time at the track before using this new software, and I didn't get anywhere too great. And if I did, it was not repeatable. The car is super repeatable now, so let me go ahead and show you. What it's doing is the launch control settings are set up, and most everything here is turned on with the cruise control on button. The rolling anti-lag, which I'm going to show you in a minute, and this on off. So anyway, the way this is going to work is now, like, I'll show you one more time. So this is without it, no boost. Now I'm going to hold it down and do the same thing. That made all the difference. I went from running 10.0s to 9.1 is my best, and I think it's gonna go a lot better. I'll show you that draggy right now, and then I'll show you the rolling anti-lag. Control real quick. I don't have a lot of room here, but should be able to do it. Woo! God damn, that's good. All right, we'll do that one more time. I don't want to say that like that. I'm just gonna allow me to floor it while it's in gear, and then let go of the button. Here we go. Works really, really good. Super happy with that. Man, I hope you guys are excited about this as I am. If you haven't seen the other videos, it has live tune switching, launch control, anti-lag, user selectable fuel, user selectable power. That video is coming up next. I'm going to show you that. Anyway, $5.99 for the first 6 months if you want to get in early. After that, all the features are going to be broken out a la carte. Stay tuned to this channel and we'll show you more about Matrix Custom OS and Palm Beach Dyno. We'll see you on the next one.